Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a front sway bar link on this 2008 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing you do, crack loose your lug nuts, raise your vehicle, take your wheel off. Now to get this out, you need to remove this nut and this nut right here. If yours is not as rusty and crusty as mine, maybe you'll have some luck just putting a wrench on here and then sticking the Allen head in here and breaking this nut loose and keeping this stud from turning. Sometimes it works, but most of the time I just take my 4.5-inch angle grinder and then cut the back here, cut right through the bolt on the back side of this bracket, and then same thing down here on the sway bar right here, just cut right here on the back side. Alright, so when you're putting this back on, it might be better to put the top on first, but it doesn't really matter. You can see it's kind of hard to get this into the hole here. Just put something in here so you can pry down on the sway bar. You can see you can pry that right down. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.